This is MDF poster. Today I am going to decorate it with warliart. First we need to add base color. So I have choose yellow color. Using a flat brush I will color it with yellow color. Do double coat of base color to remove brush strokes. These are ovu acrylic paint markers. Today I will use these paint markers to decorate this coaster. First do outline with black color in this way. Now I will draw roughly with pencil. First to draw circles I am using this coin. In this way we will draw with pencil first. So this is my final design. First I will complete it with black color. Now I will add colors. Ovu acrylic paint markers are really very easy to use and you can use these paint markers on any surface. Right now I am working on a MDF board but I am feeling like I am working on a paper. Personally I really like these acrylic paint markers. All the material link provided in description box. If you don't have this kind of paint markers, no worries, you can do same steps with acrylic paints and brushes. Coloring part is complete. Now we will add some patterns with white color. Add some pattern with black color. After completing coloring part, lock it with varnish. Varnish protect our product with dust and dirt and give a glossy look to our product. So this is our final product. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.